on your skin. Keep your heartbeat beating. Go on, breathe in.